drug of belief and have you believing that you are drunken on the thought that you are a failure and will never succeed. Don't you understand that his past pedigree had nothing to do with his spiritual DNA? You almost missed it, so let me do it again. Do you understand your past failure has nothing to do with your promise on your life? Do you understand that I can't change the grass being green or a white cow giving yellow milk and turning yellow butter and giving white milk? It's in its DNA. It's how it's been made. Don't you understand? It doesn't matter how much I paint the cow, it doesn't change its function and how it's going to operate. So let me preach it to you just like this. When you are called to be a leader and greatness is in you, and God has declared that no weapon formed against you shall prosper, greater is he that's in you than he that's in the world. It doesn't matter your current condition, because when his assignment is on your life, you are bound to win. Touch the neighbor right beside you, look at him eyeball to eyeball, square him off, and say, baby, my past pedigree has nothing to do with what God is getting ready to do in my life. Look at somebody and say, I'm just a winner, even though you don't see it right now. Don't you let your pockets dictate your success. Don't you let your neighbor, don't let your mother-in-law, don't let what her bad self determine how faithful God is to you. Don't let your children make you think you're a failure just because they start smoking dope and running women and in the club. Don't you let your condition speak back at you. Don't let the place of limitation, don't let the fact that they just got the car, about to take the house, dictate to you who you are. Look at your neighbor and say, I'm better than where I am right now. I need to talk to somebody, because sometimes you let your problems tell you who you are rather than you telling your problems who your God is.